Good morning, student. In the last class, we have taken the coordinate geometry chapter 7 and exercise number 7.1 we have taken. Up to 5 questions we have completed and 6th question, 1 question now we have completed. One part. Another 2 and 3 you take it as a homework. You find the distance between the coordinate point and which shape it is giving you have to find. Either square or parallelogram or nothing is there. You have to identify what type of shape you are getting from finding the distance and relation you are making. Okay. Seventh one we will do. Seventh one what is given in the problem? Two coordinate point -2 9 and 2 -5 is there. And x comma 0 it is having intersection on the x axis. So x comma 0 y axis will be 0. I told you in the first class when it is intersection on x axis mean y axis will be 0 and that distance is that coordinate point is equidistant between the two coordinate point they are given. So from this point this x coordinate point to -2 9 and the x coordinate point to 2 -5 both the distance are equal. So what I am taking? I am taking this point as A, this point as B, this point as O. So AO square should be equal to OB square. So AO square I am taking as per the distance formula A and O 2 minus x whole square plus 5 minus 5 minus 0 whole square. Then I am expanding it. I am getting final version 29 minus 4x plus x square. That is first result. Second, OB square distance I am measuring. X plus of 2 whole square plus 0 minus of 9 whole square. When I am expanding final version I am getting x square plus 4x plus 85 equal to 2. They are telling that it is equidistant. So that means what? AO should be equal to OB. That means AO square equal to OB square. 1 should be equal to 2. I am equating it. Then I am grouping the x term and x square term getting cancelled. Then x term I am getting as 8x equal to minus 56. Therefore x equal to minus 56 divided by 8 it will give you minus 7. So what is the x coordinate? Unknown coordinate minus 7 is the value. So you are write as x coordinate comma 0. That means y is not intersection. So minus 7 0 is your answer. Okay. That is 7th question. 8th question. Find the value y. Find the coordinate point y when the distance is given and 2 points are given. Okay. So distance between the 2 points I am finding pq square by using the distance formula. Two coordinate points that they are given 2 minus 3p and q is 10 and y. This y you have to find. So in terms of y itself I am doing 10 minus 2 whole square plus of y minus 3 whole square. When I am expanding it I am getting 100 equal to 73 plus of y square plus y square plus 6y. Then I am grouping in the one form. Which form? Quadratic form. Y square plus 6y minus 27 equal to 0. It is in a quadratic form. Then find the y value. 2y value you will get. Then I am factorizing first and last term multiplying minus 27. What is the factor? 9 and minus 3. Substitute for the middle term. Then group it. So I am getting a factor of y minus 3 multiplication of y plus 9 equal to 0. Then if you are equating, y value will be 3 or minus 9. So y coordinate point, find y there 3 or it might be minus 9. That is your 8th question. 9th question also. Q is equidistant from P and R. Equidistant Q. Q point they are given as 0, 1. P point is 5 minus 3. R point is x, 6. First you find the x value. Q is equidistant. That means what? QP and QR should be equal. That means PQ square I am taking, QR square I am finding. PQ square I am finding. I am getting 41. And QR square I am finding x square plus 25. Both 1 and 2 results should be same, equal because it is equidistant. So I am equating. So I am equating means I am taking this 25 this side. 41 minus of 25 16. X square equal to 16. Taking square root x equal to 4. Then substitute this 4 in this r instead of x 4 comma x coordinate point. Then what they are asking? Find the QR distance, PR distance. So QR distance is what? QR square equal to x square plus 5 square 25. So x value we have found. Substitute here 16 plus of 25. So square root of QR square root of 41. So you will get QR equal to root under 41. Then PR square, use the distance formula. 4 minus 5 because PR square, these two, this and this and this. So minus 4 minus 5 whole square and 6 plus 3 whole square. Then I am simplifying it. I am getting 1 plus 81, that is equal to 82. So PR square equal to 82. Taking square root, PR equal to root under 82 is the answer. So what is the answer? QR is root under 41, PR is root under 82. That is your answer. And x value we have found as 4. Okay, that is 9th question. In 10th question, if you see, last question they are asking, relation, find the relation between x and y if xy lying mid equidistant from the 3,6 and minus 3,4. xy is coming in between, equidistance it is there. So I am finding this xy and minus 3,6 distance should be equal to xy minus 3 minus 4 coordinate point distance. So I am finding AP square. AP square using the distance formula. I am getting here, what I am getting, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 12y plus of 45. First equation I am getting. Same thing PB distance I am finding. So PB distance I am getting x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y equal plus of 25 I am getting. Both the expression are equal. 1 and 2 is equal. That means AP square equal to BP square. I am equating. When I am equating, this x square cancel, y square cancel. If I am taking xy term on the number term to one side, it will become 6 plus 6, 12x, and plus 12 minus 8 it will get 4y, and here 45 minus it will be there, here 45 plus will be there, it will get minus 20. So final equation will get 12x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. Reduce by 4. All the number can divide by 4. So if we divide by 4, 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the relationship between x and y in the given problem. Okay. Up to this one, 7.1 exercise is completed. And in the next class we will go for 7.2 exercise. Thank you.